Congratulations are in order. What a hard-fought game. Not only did it come down to the wire, it went into overtime.
I thought the Bills was about just playing defense. I thought we were a little sloppier than we normally be, but credit to Lafayette. Those guys played real tough. I thought our guys at the end buckled down, got some stops, and turned our defense into offense.
There were a few timeouts there. Of course, there was a transition between regulation and overtime. What did you tell the boys?
Well, at the end of the day, you got to buckle down to get a stop and a rebound. Get a stop and a rebound. That's what it's about. And I thought we did that. Cargo came down. I think he hit a big shot. We got something going to the basket and got to the line. Made some free throws and was able to fight back in the game.
Ed Daniels, the tournament director, said that you guys have been here since day one. What does it mean to cap the 9th season here, the 9th trip here with a victory?
Well, I'll tell you, it's big. I'm excited for my group. They wanted to come in and win this tournament, and they did. And also, this group here, this tournament as well, gets you prepared for the playoffs. Not only the playoffs, gets you ready for district, and it gets you ready for that environment that you're going to see in the playoffs. And I thought our guys came in tonight, buckled down, defended, and was able to put together a tough game. In the past, we dropped 4 games just within the span of a minute. And I thought we're getting better at that.
Well, I hate to be one of your district opponents coming into the rest of the season. You guys did a phenomenal job.
Thank you, man.